Got his long tubes in. On our way back in to get a windshield for Manny's Tiggy. Here we go. That's where we're at first thing in the morning. Guess what Tristan pulled up in? Oh, no it didn't. Another hot rod in the fleet. All-wheel drive, 5.0. Let's see what Josh has got going on here. Finally got the block back. Look how shiny.
You go, Josh.
That Civic was violent.
$30,
$60,
Tristan's EM1 is a K-swap.
What's going on, guys? We are on our way to get the motor. We're doing this. It's finally time to grab it so we can put it together. Let's get to it.
On our way, boys. Block's done. Everything's honed. Bearings are in. Crank's good. Rods and pistons are getting done right now by Tyler. We got Emmanuel. And then all the different motors in here.
Variety.
Stay tuned.
Hey guys, we're back. We got everything. It's in the bed.
Block, everything, heads,
Back there.
rods,
Pistons.
and then the cranks inside, because that's the most valuable for me right now. But yeah, we got everything.
Well, as usual, we're running out of daylight. Josh just got his engine back, but needs a couple more parts for it. In the meantime, look at what he's done. So Josh, you painted the entire carpet with interior fabric paint?
Yep.
What else did you do? Dash pieces and stuff? Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, it looks brand new. Not bad, Josh, not bad. Whew. Let's see what Josh has got going on here. Finally got the block back. Look how shiny. Looking good.
Yeah, time to put the crank in.
The crank back. Look at the heads. Wow. Everything's looking good.
Mm-hmm.
How long you think, Josh?
For the crank to get in, not long. It's just me putting the parts in now.
All right, we'll check back.
Now, I'm going to be honest with you. This thing was heavy. Ooh, but we got it in. Yeah. On to putting the caps on. Stay tuned. So, got it torqued down. Manual spinning.
What's going on, guys?
It's looking good. Free, no friction. We are looking good right now.
Really good.
Well, onto the rods and pistons. Well, 11 hours later.
It was 11 hours.
It was 24. It's okay. But I'd like to thank my sponsors, AutoZone.
It was like 3 hours.
Shout out to AutoZone for their
2.5 hours too long.
piston ring compressor. It didn't work, but it's okay. We got it in. Look at that.
Got it in.
Look at that.
Might have been your technique, Josh.
No, I don't think it was. I think it was AutoZone. That's weird. Look how they're like. That's weird. I'm not used to V8 stuff. I don't know.
Oh, it has a different fire, like the firing.
Yeah, the firing order is super weird, but okay. We're in.
We're in there.
Good stuff. Goodbye. So as you saw last night, rods and pistons are in. I am prepping the decks. They're already homed, but I'm just cleaning them off so I can put the heads on. Yeah. But I got to run to the store and get some copper spray for the valve cover, or not the valve cover, the head gasket. Stay tuned. One down, one to go. What is that? Oh, brake cleaning. Okay, we're good. One down, one to go. We're almost there. Let her go. I mean, let's go. So we're on to doing timing. I've been working on this thing little by little. I just had a bunch of things I had to do, go out of town. So I've been neglecting building the motor. So now I'm back. We got the one-sided timing done. I did that last night. It wasn't too hard. So I got to do the next side of it and go from there. Then we can start doing oil pumps and everything else. Stay tuned.
Let's go see what Josh is doing.
Hello.
Josh, what are you doing?
Timing. Well, attempting to.
Man, you're barely giving yourself enough room in here.
Yeah.
All right, we'll take it back.
Timing's done. I would like to say that I am using the old tensioners. The old tensioners are fairly new from what the previous owner did say. But I am going to use old tensioners because the new ones that they sent me are kind of not as strong with tension. So
Super subpar.
we're going to get this done. Onto the oil pump. And look at that. Timing cover is on. Timing's done. Oil pump's in there. Oil pan is under there. And Emmanuel still has that top bud. But it's okay. I'm going to go to the store real quick, grab some gasket maker so I can put on the cam covers, I like to call them. I think that's what they're called anyways. And then water pump and other things, and then we'll be good. So stay tuned.
Look what Manny found me at the junkyard. Nice. These are off at S-Class, so they're a little bit wider than mine. So we got two rears and... Wait, this is the back? Yeah, I see the fronts have some rash. But I think they're still worth getting. Nah, because this stuff can get it can get fixed. Yeah, the rears look like they're in great shape. All right, on our way back in to get a windshield for Manny's Teggy. Yep. This is how you do it, guys. Had to leave Manny in the hot car though. Yeah. Here we go. You'd have never done this with Josh. He's a little too uncoordinated for this part. Yeah. We got the windshield. I just showed you the whole process, but I needed both hands. All right, we got the windshield out safe and sound. Just waiting for Manny to install it. And look what I did for myself. Went ahead and got the rest of my wheels done. So I have now a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus the 4 on the car. So I got 10 wheels refinished. Man, they did a fantastic job too. Like brand new. Spent a bunch of money getting my rims all refinished. And here's the new problem. My airbags in the back are popped. Nice. Luckily, these just have a slow leak, so once I start the car, it comes back up to normal ride height, but when I leave it overnight, it sags. Look at that thing slam like that. Go ahead and crank it up, Manny. Should start coming up. Put it in time lapse. Takes a minute or two, but it gets up to ride height. What are you doing, Manny?
Nothing. Looking looking at that Benz. We seen it at the car show yesterday.
Oh, the one for 4,000 or best offer?
Yeah.
What, are you thinking about buying that?
Yeah, I might.
No way. What? Oh, yeah. That was an E500, right?
Yeah, 4MATIC.
So that's a 5.0 V8.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know it was a 5.0. It's pretty cool.
Can I go look at it?
Yeah, we can.
Go over there. What's that? Well, we must love the old stuff. Check out Manny's new ride. Look at Tristan. What's up? Oh, you're dropping in the front. You see it?
Yeah.
That air suspension. Wow, Tristan. Incredible, man, huh? Like a different car.
Like a different car.
That's Mom talking with her mouth full.
So I got the oil. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Yeah, there you go. Man. Tell you what a car. E500 5.0 V8 all-wheel drive. Look at that. Man, beautiful. Like father, like son. 5.0 V8 all-wheel drive. Manny's already done his own oil change. Caught Manny right in the middle of the brake job. Manny, on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy was this?
Not very simple.
10 being the hardest.
Hardest brake job I've done.
Welcome to Benz world. Brake job like this at Benz would cost you $1,000. Just about finished. Manny got this side done. Only took that side took about 4 hours. This side should take about a half hour. Manny in record time. What'd this one take you about? 30, 45 minutes?
Yeah, that's that.
Nice. Did you get finished?
Yeah. It's done.
Nice. Rear brakes are finished. Rim's a little dirty, Manny. Let's see what Manny's up to. Oh, haven't seen this one in a while.
Yeah. Pulled it out to clean it.
This is the motor for the original coupe, right?
Yeah. The
Wow.
one I rebuilt back in the
Did
day.
you put any hot rod parts in it?
No, I did back in the day I did like bearings, I did pistons. I basically rebuilt the whole thing.
Yeah, okay. That's clean. And Manny's in the process of taking this one apart. Oh, he's gonna sell it and then put some of the parts in the white car that he's doing.
So right now I'm just cleaning it up. Making it pretty.
And then Josh has the heart of the beast almost ready to go in. Bought himself some long tubes. It's looking good. You think he's going to get that in this weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're putting it in.
All right. Cool.
Can't leave until it's in.
All right, guys. Who knows when the next update will be, but not as long as the last one. All right, guys. We'll see ya. Take care. Well, guys, guess what Tristan pulled up in? Oh, no, it didn't. Wow. Spirit of ecstasy right there, right? Man. What year is that?
16.
16? Look at the doors. The doors are going the wrong way. Wow. Oh yeah, easily 350. Wow. You know the R's stay the same way too as it's rolling.
Yeah, when it's rolling.
Yeah, that two-tone is pretty. I love the all one window. Look at him getting in the door all backwards.
That was me. I went over there at the door trying to. Oh, like 30 seconds at the front.
Oh man, I'm gonna hit you up.
All right, see you, Tristan. Listen to how quiet. So that is next level smooth right there, huh?
It's crazy.
Beautiful.